In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chats and messages in Microsoft Teams. This skill can help you maintain a clean and organized communication environment, especially when discussions become cluttered. First, we're going to look at how to delete messages that you have sent. Open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the Chat tab. Here, you'll find all your conversations. Scroll through the list of chats until you find the message you wish to remove. To do this, hover your mouse over the message you want to delete. You'll notice a menu appears, which includes various options. Click on the More Options menu, identified by the three dots or ellipsis. From the list of options, select Delete, and just like that, your message will disappear for everyone involved in the conversation. Instead of the original text, you and others will see a notification that reads, "This message was deleted." Now, you might not want to delete a whole conversation, but you can choose to hide it from your chat list. This is a quick way to declutter without permanently removing any communication. To hide a chat, browse through your chat list until you locate the conversation you want to hide. Hover over this chat to see the More Options menu once more. Click it and then choose Hide. This action removes the chat from your list, but it's important to note that this does not delete the chat. If someone from the conversation sends a new message, the conversation will reappear in your chat list. This feature is particularly useful when you're overwhelmed with numerous chats and need to focus on more immediate conversations without permanently losing your chat history. Remember, deleting a message is permanent, and while it removes the content from the conversation, a record remains that indicates a deletion occurred. Hiding a chat, on the other hand, is a non-permanent solution that simply helps clean up your immediate view. Keep in mind that organizing your chats and messages effectively in Microsoft Teams can significantly enhance your productivity and ensure you stay on top of important communications without unnecessary clutter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to maximize your use of Microsoft Teams and other productivity tools. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to assist.